SushiSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to SushiSwap can be found in the description below. In this video, we'll be reviewing SushiSwap, a decentralized exchange DEX built on the Ethereum blockchain designed for users to easily swap, earn, stack, and borrow digital assets. SushiSwap is a decentralized finance (DeFi) platform that operates similarly to Uniswap, but offers a few unique features and enhancements that may appeal to different types of users. SushiSwap is ideal for DeFi enthusiasts and crypto traders looking for a reliable, decentralized platform to swap ERC20 tokens and participate in liquidity pools. As an automated market maker, AMM, SushiSwap allows users to provide liquidity and earn fees from trades on the platform. The platform also supports yield farming, where users can stake their LP, liquidity provider, tokens in exchange for Sushi tokens, SushiSwap's native governance token. One of SushiSwap's standout features is its multi-chain support. Unlike some DEXs that are limited to Ethereum, SushiSwap has expanded to support other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, and Polygon, making it a flexible choice for users across different ecosystems. This enables faster transactions and lower gas fees, particularly on networks like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon, where gas fees are typically lower than on Ethereum. Another notable feature is SushiSwap's governance model. Holders of Sushi tokens can participate in voting on protocol decisions, giving the community a say in the future of the platform. Additionally, the Cashi lending platform allows users to borrow and lend assets directly on SushiSwap, adding another layer of functionality to the platform. While SushiSwap offers many benefits, transaction fees can still be a concern on Ethereum, especially during times of network congestion. However, with the increasing support for other blockchains, users can often find more affordable options. Overall, SushiSwap is a solid choice for experienced users looking for a flexible, feature-rich DEX with a growing ecosystem. Its multi-chain support, yield farming opportunities, and governance model make it a competitive option in the DeFi space. Check out the links in the description for more information.